Hey, Brett McGill here from MarineMax. I'm the CEO, and we're super excited to be here with Habitat for Humanity, Pinellas, and another build. This is our 7th year of building homes for Habitat. We're super excited to be involved, and we're bringing all of our managers from around the country here for training, and we decided to take a few hours to come down and help out and build some homes in this great area.
This is just a great opportunity for MarineMax that's so deeply rooted here in Florida to give back to communities in need.
It's a great way to spend our time when we're here together. MarineMax is a nationwide and global company now. It's great to support the local community here.
Perfect.
It's fantastic to share it with our team nationally, but our team locally, we love to send groups out. It's a really great way for us to be involved in the community.
We have a saying at MarineMax that boating changes people's lives. And if you think about that, there's nothing more that's more impactful to a family or delivers a better experience and memories than a house.
Almost 100 people here from MarineMax excited to build homes for Habitat. What a great cause. We've been involved for a long time, and we probably will be for quite some time.
1, 2, 3! MarineMax!